Jesus as Savior, as Christ, as Lord of Lords, as King of Kings, and God of gods. God gives us reconciliation, which is the relationship. God gives us redemption, which is the living condition. And God gives us restoration of all the things that God promised humanity in the beginning. So through Jesus, you have reconciliation, you have redemption, and you have restoration. That when God created human beings in the beginning, God placed them in the Garden of Eden. And because of their disobedience, they were put out of the Garden of Eden. But through Jesus, you are restored back to your place, back to your Garden of Eden.